For someone who absolutely hates trying new things, this is something, and this is your sign to get the Buldak and try this recipe. My name is Abena, and you're welcome to my channel. Here is one episode of another recipe with me. Stay tuned for more. If you're a new subscriber, do subscribe to my channel, and if you're an OG, guess what? I'm back with some recipes. So it started off with my sister-in-law and my brother coming to visit me. Sorry guys, I don't have a vlog on that for you. And she was like, no, you need to try new things. Absolutely nobody hates trying new things because I didn't know how it's going to turn out. But this, oh my god, God bless you, mama. Anyway, so we had to start by shopping first. And Sikanashi, because actually, Sikanashi. So we went to Walmart, then we proceeded to a Chinese store, and then the African store where, oh my god, I hadn't seen crabs in such a long time, but hell no, they are too huge and I'm not touching those. Anyway, I had to take a glimpse of these beautiful seafoods, which I might never try. But yeah, who knows, since I'm trying new things, I might eventually start. So it started off with me wanting to make Buldak for my girl. So guys, we have our vegetables prepped.
By the way, it's 12 a.m.
12:30 a.m.
Oh.
It's okay. Let's go. So typically, nobody adds vegetables to Buldak so far from what I've seen. But hey, I need to get in my greens and I need to make it my way. So I'm gonna enjoy it. So guys, this is me making it my way. And I know for a fact that you're gonna love it if you do it my way. Anyway, this was me. The question immediately wants to try the food. Maybe sometime. But yeah, you get it. I'm too Ghanaian. Anyway, this is how it started. And if you're still here, have you shared the link? If you are sharing, share well. Tell your friends I'm not speaking. Of course, you know you need the new recipe. I'm saying, welcome to my channel once again. Enjoy! I guess talking to you has grown on me. Anyway, if you love your life, and if you don't like pepper, or you have high tolerance for certain high tolerance or low tolerance, yeah, you get it. Please watch yourself for the pepper sauce because you might want to watch till the end to see the reviews and the remarks because anyway, I have this recipe on my Snapchat which blew up, and it is one reason why I decided to put this up. So if you don't know my Snapchat, I am going to, you know what, just type Abena on Snapchat and you're gonna find me. Check my spotlight and we have a lot of videos with the very knowledge. Okay, I know you love hearing my voice. I gotta enjoy the video. If you do not have oyster sauce, it is completely okay. And if you don't have soy sauce too, that is absolutely fine. It works just right without either of them. Accepting the aesthetics and the taste of it. So if you don't have that, don't let it stop you. Because oh my god, the Indomie Spice alone, that's the magic. Look at that show. Just look at that. And you will try it. Anyway, if you're in Kumasi, if you're getting a Chinese small, yeah, I think so. And yeah, just get it. Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna make it like I did. And even more, send me receipts on Snapchat, and I'm gonna push you. Alright, bye guys. POV, your love language is cooking for your friends.
Chef Abby. Try it. Won't start here. It's hot. How spicy? It does.
It's not that hot.
I like it.
Your dog.
Did you say it's not spicy? Good night, guys. Well, time check. 1 a.m. EST.
Are you trying this? Let me know in the comments. Until next video. Bye.